Nate
How
was
don't you
just
feel
talking
that?
about a sneeze being orgasmic.
Like, did you see how
Absolute
hard I
garbage.
just sneezed? Like, do you sneeze that hard?
I do, but I don't react like that.
Bro, your body,
You
like,
just tremor like that was pleasure.
I still feel the
That was
tingles,
weird to
man.
watch.
Like, I feel the tingles. Like, it literally, if someone was like, I feel like ecstasy right now, I'd be like, oh, yeah, that's what sneezing feels like. It
Let
feels
me
like
ask you.
just water just washes over me, like all over my bones, my joints, everything.
But do you think we sneeze in our sleep? And what I'm
No,
saying is,
no.
do,
I would wake up. There would be cum everywhere. I wouldn't be able to hold it back if I was asleep. No, I did not sneeze in my sleep.